Hello. In this video you'll learn about the Mathewson IGT Knowledge Center and its services. This will get you ready to do the worksheet on the Knowledge Center and business information, although you'll need to use the Knowledge Center website and visit the building in order to complete the assignment. My name is Pat Reagans and I'm the business librarian here at UNR. Our 300,000 square foot building opened in 2008 and was named in recognition of contributors Charles Mathewson and international game technology. As a student, you have access to approximately 1 million books, 41,000 online and print journals, and 375 online databases. Though this may feel overwhelming, you also have access to librarians and technology specialists to help you find what you need. The Knowledge Center was designed to stimulate inquiry, nurture creativity, and foster collaboration. The inclusion of MARS, an automated retrieval system for lesser used books, journals, and other materials, allowed space to be freed up for collaboration. For example, several whiteboard tables are available for brainstorming on the 4th floor. Many small conference rooms include projectors, laptop connections, and whiteboards. You may schedule these rooms from the KC homepage or just drop in one that's designated first come, first serve. You can get any books or journals from MARS from our online library catalog. You can do this from a computer off campus, a smartphone, or on campus. Once you've made a request, the book will be ready for you at the Library and Research Services desk within about 10 minutes. The library portion of the KC begins on the main floor, also called Floor 2. Located just beyond the KC entrance is the Library Services desk. This is where you go to pick up a requested book, check out books, or check out anatomy models. Research Services is in the same location, just around the corner from the Library Services desk. Notice that it's lower than the checkout desk so that you can sit down, chat comfortably with a reference librarian, and work through your question or research problem. From the KC homepage, you can locate the reference hours by clicking on the link to view more library hours. You can also get research help by calling, chatting, emailing, or setting up a longer in-person consultation. The Knowledge Center has subject and course guides covering business, biology, engineering, art, history, and more subjects. Here's the Business Library Guide. It links to special databases focusing on all aspects of business, including economics, marketing, finance, and accounting. You'll use this guide in Part 1 of your assignment. In addition to library and research help, you can get computing help as you enter the Knowledge Center on the 2nd floor. If you have trouble with your NetID or using your laptop to connect to the wireless network, you can head here. There are many more ways we can help you find what you want. Once you reach the 3rd floor, where the book stacks begin, in the hallway near the blue light, you will find a button which you may push for assistance. Just be sure to avoid calling 911. You may also take any of the handouts located near Library and Research Services. Monitors are available to help you pick the best floor to find a computer. Instead of spending money and printing reams of paper, you may scan pages from a book or a journal and email them to yourself. And at the self-checkout station, you may check out as many items as you can carry. Both of these are located by the Library and Research Services desk on the 2nd floor. You can add money to your Wolf card or check your balance on any of the Wolf card machines throughout the building, and then use it to print your documents at one of the many copy and print stations. Finally, on the 1st floor, you'll find @1, a computer lab and multimedia production center. The Dynamic Media Lab in @1 houses a number of high-end iMac computers with graphics and video software. The lab also houses an audio recording room. @1 also includes the Multimedia Center, where you can check out equipment, DVDs, and audio CDs. And of course, there's a help desk to answer software, printing, and production questions. Remember, the Knowledge Center is designed to stimulate inquiry, nurture creativity, and foster collaboration. So come check us out.